3 signs to know that he loves you. Men may not be very expressive with words, getting them verbally to say their emotions cost a lot of work, but this does not mean that they do not express what they feel otherwise. Sometimes what they do not say with words they say, and very clearly, with their behavior and their body. It's just a matter of learning to read them. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video and download my free ebooks and take a look at my offers reviews. 1 always takes you into account. Does not try to hide you in front of family and friends but loves to show up next to you. He is proud to have you by his side and makes you part of all the spaces of his social life. You know his group of friends and even the most distant of his aunts have heard of you. A super clear sign that he loves you is when he sets up long-term plans that include both. He does not plan to separate from you. 2 takes care of yourself. If you see, tired, cancels everything planned to assist you and make you rest. If he sees you sad, tries to rejoice you, and if you end up in danger, he will do everything to defend you. A man who loves has the natural need to protect you. You are important to him and wants to take care of you. Reads the signs of your body. An example is if he grabs you by the hand when you go through a busy street, or if he follows you with the look when you turn away. A man in love is like a guardian angel. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video and download my free ebooks and take a look at my offers reviews. 3 tries to have memory. We all know, the male gender was not born to remember birthdays, anniversaries, or the names of our friends, so when your man does it, is showing a great effort to remember what is important to you, and that indicates that he cares. If he remembers the clothes you wore the day you met, take it as an undoubtedly I love you. Please tell us your opinions in the comments section below. Source: https://lawopinion.com. To learn more about 3 signs to know that he loves you, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the image at the end of this video or the link in the description below.